This egg and egusi sauce will leave you speechless after trying it out. Guys, I made this sauce for just boiled white yam, but I ended up enjoying it with poundo yam swallow. Let me show you how I put it together. So over here, I've got my yam already peeled, washed, cut, and right now I'm adding some salt. You gotta add salt according to your taste. Okay. So I'm just adding some water, just about the same level as the yam. Cover the pot and let it cook until it is soft and tender. You guys know how we cook yam now, how we boil white yam, right? Now the yam is done and I'm just going to take it off the heat. In another pan, I've added some oil. That's just maize oil, but you can use any vegetable oil of your choice. I've gone in with some chopped onions. I'm going to fry that a bit and then add my fresh tomatoes. I'm going to give it a quick stir, then add my habanero peppers. I think I have 2 Scotch bonnet peppers there, but you can add pepper or peppers according to how much heat you can be able to handle, right? And right now I'm adding in my seasoning cubes. Those are Maggi cubes. I'm going to add some curry powder, some paprika, that's basically red bell peppers that has been dried and blended, some rosemary, some nutmeg, and a little bit of salt. With egg sauce, you don't really need too much salt, okay? Just a tiny bit of salt and you're good to go. Now I'm going to be adding a tin of tuna. This is going to take the taste to another level, guys. If you have tuna, please do not skip this step, okay? It was so good with the tuna fish. This is tuna fish, by the way. Now after adding the tuna, I fried this for like 5 minutes and I went in with my eggs. I think I have about 6 or 8 eggs there. I can't remember, but let me know in the comment section, how many eggs were you able to count? Tell me in the comment section, okay? So after adding the eggs, I quickly gave it a gentle stir and I went in with my ugu leaves, also known as pumpkin leaves. These leaves and the tuna made this look exactly like egusi soup. Come on, look at it now. Doesn't it look like egusi soup? The color, the consistency, the everything. Guys, just look at this sauce. It is giving. The taste was amazing. The flavor was incredible. As I was making this, my baby girl came inside the kitchen, my first daughter, Favor. Some of you know her. She said, "Mommy, this looks like egusi soup." I'm like, "Girl, thank you, my baby. You are in the spirit. You know the drill. You know what's up." As soon as she said it, I quickly ran inside the fridge. I quickly opened my fridge and grabbed a bowl of or rather a wrap of poundo yam swallow. I warmed it up and paired it with this. Guys, I couldn't believe my taste buds. It was incredibly delicious. I was like, wow, like any day I don't want to make egusi soup because you guys know that the preparation is not here. So any day I feel like not cooking the proper egusi soup, I'll quickly put this together and use it to eat my poundo yam swallow. And the good thing is that you must not use ugu leaves. You can add spinach and it will taste just as good. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know if you're going to try this recipe out. Come back and give us your feedback. Please don't forget to share this video as well. See you in my next video.